Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. Today we are diving deep into the world of smartphone with an in-depth reviews of the rugged and feature-packed with the CAT S75 smartphones. If you are in the market for a smartphone that can keep up with your active lifestyle without compromising on performance or durability, then you are in the right place. From its stunning display and powerful performance to its advanced capabilities and long-lasting battery life, the CAT S75 smartphone is designed to be your ultimate companion, no matter where life takes you. So whether you are adventure seeker, a busy professional or someone who simply values reliability in their smartphone, you would not want to miss out on what the CAT S25 smartphone has to offer. Get ready to discover why the CAT 75 is more than just smartphone. It's a road powerhouse that built to withstand whatever challenges come your way. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of the smartphones CAT S75. First, let's talk about the displays. The CAT S75 boasts a vibrant IPS LCD screen with a 120 Hz refresh rates, providing smooth and flowed visuals for all your favorite content. With a size of 6.6 inches and an impressive screen to body ratio of 76.7, you will enjoy an impressive viewing experience like never before. But it's not just about looks. The CAT S75 is built to last. Thanks to Corning Gorilla Glass, a vector's protections, you can say goodbye to scratches and cracks, ensuring your device pristine even in the conditions. Now let's talk about the performance. Equipped with a powerful processors and 6 GB of RAMs, the CAT S75 delivers smooth multitasking and lightning fast responsiveness 128 GB ROMs. Whether you are streaming your favorite videos or taking demanding tasks, the smartphones can handle it all with ease. And let's not forget about the camera. With the triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixels wide lens plus 8 megapixels ultra wide lens plus 2 megapixels macro lens, the CAT S75 allow you to capture stunning photos with incredible details and clarity. Plus, with features like double LED flash, HDR and panorama mode, you can unleash your creativity and capture moments like never before. Moving on the battery life, the CAT S75 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that keeps you powered all day long. Whether you are browsing the web, watching videos or playing games, you can trust that your device will keep up with your busy lifestyle. And with 15 wireless charging, you can quickly and conveniently recharge your device without any hassle. But that's not all. The CAT S75 is also equipped with a range of advanced features including rear mounted fingerprint sensors, accelerometers, gyro proximity sensors, campus and even emergency SOS via through the bullet satellite connected server. So whether you are photography fans, a multitasking pro or just someone who valuable reliability in their smartphones, the CAT S75 has something to offer for everyone. Before we sign off, let's quickly touch on the software side of things. The new smartphone CAT S75 runs on Android 12, providing you with the latest features and security updates for a seamless user experience. Whether you are seasoned Android user or new to the ecosystem, you will find navigating the interface to be intuitive and user friendly. Now let's talk about the connectivity. The CAT S75 supports GSM, HSPA, LTE and 5G networks, ensuring that you stay connected wherever you go. Whether you are streaming HD videos, video calling friends and family, or downloading large files, you can count on the CAT S75 to deliver fast and reliable connections. And finally, let's discuss viability and pricing. The CAT S75 was announced in February 2023 and has been a valuable smartphone since July of the same year. With a price tag of around 600 euros, it offers incredible value for money considering its premium features and durability. And that's a wrap on your comprehensive reviews of that. This new smartphones, CAT S75 smartphones. We hope you found this video helpful and informative in your screen for the perfect device to fit your needs. If you enjoyed learning about the CAT S75's impressive features, durability and performance, be sure to give these videos a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Don't forget to leave your comments below sharing your thoughts on the CAT S75 or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you and are here to help with any queries you may have. Thank you once again for watching, and remember, the CAT S75 is not just a smartphone, it's a companion built to withstand whatever life throws your way. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, take care and stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.